뭐야? 어, 이거밖에 못하네? 주머니.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
깜짝이야.
No!
To the right, quickly!
I don't see any torches. How can we... what are we going to do? That seems to keep them busy.
Are you sure?
Another hand should be enough.
아, 뭐하니?
Come on.
지금. 넘어가.
Down there! The Three Saints!
Alright. Let's be careful.
아, 미쳤네, 진짜. 이 쥐떼들.
We'll be safe if we go that way.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
We won't fall. Hold my hand tight.
이거. 이제 어떻게 해야 돼? 이거 하얀 거 보니까 이건 거
Hole in the
같은데.
grating.
I'll lift this up. Can you get the torch?
Yes.
뭐야? 연타하라고?
It's heavy. Hugo, hurry up. Come on.
어떡해.
Are you alright?
Yes. Stay where you are. The ground is rotten.
Misha, how am I going to get back?
We'll find a way. Don't worry. As long as you have the torch, you'll be safe.
But what about you?
그치, 저기 꺼지기 전까진.
Move together. That way, the light coming through the grating will protect me too. Ready?
Ready?
Here we go then. Slowly. Very good.
Look, there's a hole. Do you want the torch?
Yes, there are too many rats on my side.
But where can I get through?
The hole behind you. That's the only way I can see. Go through there and I'll meet you on the other side.
Are you sure?
아, 여기서
Just
떨어지는
stop
거야?
if you see rats. I'll be with you very quickly.
Alright, but please hurry.
서둘러 달래. 아, 귀여워.
Quick now.
이거 못 가져가지? 와씨,
Hugo! What's going on?
내 동생 가만 안 둬?
Hugo! Talk to me! Come on! Come on!
Misha, up here!
아, 저 있구나.
Are you alright?
There were rats. I ran to the light.
Did they bite you?
No, I
아.
found a ladder. But there are rats.
우측
I'll open a
떼면
way
안
through for you.
되는구나.
We're going to get you down from there. Calm down, Alicia. He's
잠시만요.
Stay focused.
왜? 아, 나도 모르게 이거를 계속하기. 잠깐만. 아이, 깜짝이야. 아씨.
These twigs burn too quickly. I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
I have something for you.
나무 하나 더 들고. 뭐야?
Perfect. Thank you.
아. 아, 시체.
Bertie, you can come down now. Sorry, I shouldn't have left you alone. It's too risky.
That's all right.
잠깐 기다려봐.
Of course.
여기 위에도 뭐가 있을 것 같아. 그렇지.
I know this drawing.
A tabard from the Crusades.
더 이상 못 가네? 쪽지요? 어디? 아래에?
I'll go first.
Yes.
아. 그리고 또 뭘 안 먹었죠? 없는데? 아, 이거 돌. 절로 가는 건가? 됐다.
The crypt. Oh, thank you. We can get out of here now.
Yes. Far, far away.
자, 이거 만들 수 있구나.
Well, that looks a lot better.
저도 이런 게 있는지는 몰랐어요. 그냥 쥐떼를 피하기만 하면 되는
Go
건 줄
ahead. I'm
알았어요.
right behind you. Oh, what's that on the ground?
Should we go anyway?
Yes, we've managed to get this far.
어디까지
We'll
가야
be fine.
되는 거야?
Just stay close.
What's that stuck in the walls?
I don't know.
아, 이거 뭐야? 채팅창 보다가 화면 보고 깜짝 놀랐어. 아,
They did that.
You
막대기.
think so?
Yes, we're in their nest.
So they're going to be even more angry?
일로 가야 되네. 뭐냐? 지금 여기 벽에 붙은 게 쥐털이야?
Yeah, it's burning my throat. Over there, light. We're there, Hugo.
뛰어, 뛰어. 뭐야. 안 돼.
We did it. We did it. We did it. We.
아,
Amicia. I want to see Mommy.
안 따라오는 쥐떼 수준.
I don't want her to be dead.
Hugo.
I want her to come back.
이 휴고라는 애가 쥐때 감염으로부터 해방되는 뭐 백신 같은 건 아니겠죠? 그래서 저렇게 이 아이를 살려서 데리고 가려는 건 아니었으면 좋겠는데. 아니요, 부모님을 다 죽인 사람들이
Amicia,
저 동생만큼은
so
살려서
they'll
데려가려고
never be able
그랬거든요.
to go back home?
No. It's too dangerous.
Are there rats there too?
Maybe... I
네,
don't know,
누나까지 다
Hugo.
몰살하고 동생만
They'll find
살려서.
us when it gets dark.
We'll be safe with Laurentius. Come on. Up there! A windmill!
Is that Laurentius's farm?
I hope so.
I've never seen a real windmill.
If we're careful, you'll be seeing one very soon.
그렇겠죠? 근데 그런 종류의 게임도 많고 그래서
Amicia, look! It's one of the men that attacked the house.
The Inquisition. They're here.
They do that.
어,
Only fucking animals.
Do I look like a rat? How should I know?
Well, I say we'll never get rid of these
I heard a noise. Now check it out.
Check the blind spots, like we did in training.
너무 빨리 던졌나? 잘못 던진 것
seems
같다고요?
calm.
Of course.
그냥 보이니까 무턱대고 던져버렸는데.
The first time was already too much. Let's go.
한 번도 아니고 가봐야겠군.
Hey!
아닌데?
I'm gonna...
이거 아닌데? 돌아갈 때 가는 건가 보다. 제가 등지고 돌아갈 때.
I did hear something over there.
돌아가 얼른. 저 하얀색 게이지가 밑으로 뚝 떨어져야 가는 건가?
Nah, nothing. Nothing here.
돌아가 얼른.
Amicia, look. There's a bridge that leads to the farm. Amicia.
I don't have a choice.
What a waste of time.
이쪽에다가 던져야 되나?
That noise. That's enough now.
아, 어떡해. 얘는 어떻게 해야 되는 거야? 돌 던진 쪽으로?
What's all the racket?
아니? 없는데?
So,
저기서 항아리
there's a
소리가
false
나는데
alarm.
의심도 안 한단 말이야? 저 뒤에 숨는 건가 보다, 그럼.
Amicia, look. There's a bridge that leads to the farm.
What a waste of time. The Grand Inquisitor should just tell us what he
항아리가
really wants from
없는데요?
us. Over there. I heard something.
Keep your eyes peeled.
쟤도 쳐다보는데?
That should do it. With that and the second barricade, no one will ever get through.
I'm going to the bridge. The cart will be back with the other barricades.
We are trapped.
음.
There's a hole in the wall.
I'm too big. You'll have to go in and open the window for me.
But they'll see me.
I'll keep him busy. Come on.
I'm going.
어이? 아니, 저걸 모른다고?
What was it? Over there.
아니!
Intruders!
아니, 잠깐만. 아니, 이거 잘못됐는데? 이거 한 번 갈 때마다 한 번씩 죽노.
We are trapped.
There's a hole in the wall.
I'm too big. You'll have to go in and open the window for me.
But they'll see me.
I'll keep him busy. Trust me.
아, 내가 주의를 끌어줘야 되는구나.
Come on.
I'm going.
뭐야, 왜 이렇게 짧아?
Hey, there's somebody here.
아, 안 돼. 날 죽여, 차라리. 왜 이렇게 짧냐? 길이 확인부터 한 다음에 보내야겠다.
There's a hole
이
in the
정도면
wall.
돼.
I'm too big. You'll have to go in and open the window for me.
But they'll see
어서
me.
오세요.
Keep him busy. Trust me. Come on.
I'm going.
That noise. Intruders! Over here!
아니, 왜 글로 가냐고? 아이, 미쳤노.
We are trapped.
There's a hole in the wall.
이때 보내는 게 아니야?
You'll have to go in and open the window for me.
But they'll see me.
I'll keep him busy. Trust me.
언제 보내야 되는 거야? 지금?
I'm going.
Yes. Now it's my turn.
What was that noise?
아, 거꾸로 했구나, 나 지금까지.
Well done.
Amicia, we have to get out of here.
잘했어, 잘했어.
Well, it was nothing.
I thought I heard someone. I'll be right back.
Be careful.
가자.
Oh no. They blocked off the farm.
Tell Lord Nicholas that the road is blocked. Any person or vehicle that wants to get through is to be stopped and searched.
And what are we looking for exactly?
A 5-year-old kid. Hugo de Rune.
5살이구나.
Blue eyes.
Are they talking about me?
Lord Nicholas wants him alive.
Shh. Usual. Captain of the Purple Guard wanting them alive?
Very important, I was told. Lord Nicholas has his orders direct from the Grand Inquisitor himself. So keep your eyes peeled.
등지고 씨가 지금 지나가면 되나?
There's a garden there.
Yes.
어떻게 가야 돼? 뭐야? 다시 오네? 제가 갈 때 그럼 나도 같이 가야 되는 건가 본데? 왜 내려오노? 가자. 얘가 갈 때. 제발. 아이. 더 멀리 던져야 되네. 어?
Go on. Slowly.
제발. 됐다. 아니, 이거 바로 옆에서 이거 수리한다고? 템이 없어요.
Ain't nothing here.
잠깐. 이거 업그레이드 이거 뭔데? 아.
Amicia,
What?
what did I do? Why are they looking for me?
You didn't do anything. They're the ones who did something.
If
저쪽이야.
they catch us, will they hurt us?
They are not going to catch us, alright?
All right.
Hugo? Hugo? Where are you? Hugo, it's not funny.
Ooh,
Hugo,
did I scare you?
the Inquisition is here, Hugo. Do you want them to take you away? Don't ever do that again.
All right.
They're here.
어떻게 해야 돼? 등지고 있는 거지?
Oh no.
이쪽으로 가는 거
There's loads of
맞아?
them.
Shh. Keep quiet.
아니. 어떻게 가냐고요, 이러면.
I heard what happened at Silverdale. They had a storm in the middle of the night, and all the campfires went out from the wind and rain. Then a rat's nest opened out of the ground
어머.
right under their feet. Only found two.
What is that?
어머!
Look out! There's someone here.
이거 따라잡혀서 죽던데. 바로 넘어가면 안 되는구나. 아, 짜증나. 이거 길이 어디냐고. 일로 가는 거 맞아? 아, 지금까지 길이 막 한 군데로만 나 있더니 못 가네. 이쪽이 맞는 것 같은데.
Oh no, there's loads of them.
Shh. Keep quiet.
I heard what happened at Silverdale. They had a storm in the middle of the night, and all the campfires went out from the wind and rain. Then a rat's nest opened out of the ground right under their feet. They only found two men alive. Bitten.
Fucking bite.
Fucking rodents.
다시 오고 갈 때까지 기다려야 되네. 나도 그 생각했는데 저 뭐지?
Saw a barge along the trail earlier. Dead as a doornail. Shouldn't we bury him?
Had he been bitten?
Yeah.
Did you touch him?
Nah.
Good. Because when a rat bites you, it poisons your blood. You get boils all over, and everyone around you can get it and die too. That's why it's called the bite.
Well then. Think we'll just leave him where he is.
이쪽으로 가면 되지 않나? 이거 돌이잖아.
I'm not crazy. I heard something.
이쪽으로 가는 거 맞아?
Nothing.
뭐지? 이거 어제도 잠시만요. 어제도 왔었는데 그래서 차단했는데. 유코님 어서 오세요. 돌로 바꿔주고.
That looks like a person, right?
안 돼.
Come here, everyone.
너무 길잖아.
We'll find you eventually. Just a matter of time. Hey,
Come
I
on,
think
that's
they might
enough
be
now.
here.
Search the place.
절로 가.
Here, over here.
우와. 이게 안 걸리고 어떻게 넘어가? 네네.
What's all the noise?
아, 쟤는 여기 왜 오냐고. 가만히 있지. 아, 미치겠네.
Yeah, nothing to
아,
report.
타이밍 하고는 진짜. 다시 오네? 지금.
Again? I've got to know for sure.
근데
Can't wait till our shift ends, so we can go back to the Bastion.
Hey, is it true the
Be
Grand
smart
Inquisitor
again.
dissects rats there? To see what's in their bellies?
Why not? We can't keep pouring lime into those
이거
holes.
넘어갈
forever.
수 있나?
Some people say it's heresy.
Heresy is not doing nothing. The Inquisition is making a difference.
같이 보내야 될 것 같은데? 왜 날 쳐다보고 있는 것 같지?
I heard something. I'm going to see.
Don't be caught off guard.
어! 둘 다 안 가는구나.
I found someone.
이거 안 돼. 이미 망했어. 항아리가 하나밖에 없다고. 아이씨. 아, 잠깐만. 나 왜 뛰니? 했어. 아, 차단했는데 어떻게 오나 몰라.
What was that?
여기까지는 왔는데.
So we can go back to the Bastion.
Hey,
Nothing at all.
is it true the Grand Inquisitor dissects rats there? To see what's in their bellies?
Why not? We can't keep pouring lime into those holes forever.
제가 왔다 갈 때 저쪽으로
Some
던지고
people
가는
say
것 같은데
it's
왠지.
heresy.
Heresy is not doing nothing. The Inquisition is making a
항아리로
difference.
머리. 연구 차단이요? 아, 제가 그거 할 줄을 몰라서.
Huh? What's all that noise?
됐나? 헉!
There's nothing here. All right.
그러게요.
So they can't see us anymore.
No, they can't. I'll give you a hand.
Yes?
아, 왜 이렇게 어렵노, 게임이.
Fall back. What's happening?
왜 후퇴하지?
Hugo, we can't stop. Not here.
또 머리가
I
아프구나.
feel funny.
Come on. You'll be able to rest when we get to Laurentius's place.
My head. It hurts.
I don't know what to do, Hugo. What would Mommy do?
Give me medicine.
I can carry you. That's the best I can do. Come on, climb up.
동생을 업어주는구나. 약이 없으니까. 해가 넘어가고 있는데.
Mommy says I shouldn't leave the house, you know.
I know.
That must be why I feel all funny.
You're just tired.
I miss her.
그렇게 뛰어다니고 도망가고 그랬으니.
Hmm?
Nothing. Laurentius's mill. We're nearly there.
Will he shut me inside again? Like Mommy.
He'll get us to safety.
Alright. It's true, it's dangerous out here. But sometimes
가끔은 괜찮죠.
it's
밖에
fun too.
나가고
You'll
싶었었나
get
보다.
better one day.
Are those dead animals?
What on earth happened here?
어머.
We're going to have to be careful now. You better get down, Hugo.
아유.
It's getting in my shoes.
I don't believe it.
신발 안에. 어.
Down here! The torch! Get to the torch, quickly!
어떡해. 이렇게 가면 되나?
Calm down. It's all right.
아!
Reach us.